Okay, so I'm just going to show you all like the CDs and music I got in Japan as a little short. So, and this is not in order of purchase. I bought this brand new. The photo card was a Soho photo card, so it's already in my Soho photo binder. One is binary code. It's a Lido big card. Oh, if it's hearts on it. Yeah, I wasn't going to buy any bulky albums, but I'm trying to build my 1S collection. CD collection. Wait. Let's do twice. So these are all from secondhand book offs. One in Akihabara and one in Osaka. I have 2 versions of Candy Pop, and one of them, which one did I get first, has the group card in, which is one of the Japanese group cards I don't have. Ta-da! And the second one didn't come with a photo card, but it's fine because I imagine it would be the same group card. And this one, I wanted this version, particularly this version of One More Time with the witches for so long. So it has these little... I've owned this before, was like a Mii-chan fan, and they kept Kep1er and resold the rest, or I don't know. But yeah, I didn't even expect these to be in here at all, so I really wanted like the witch version. I could have got like every version of every Japanese album, but I do already. I don't have a version of One More Time now. Wake me up. I didn't want to collect all the Japanese CDs. My intention was to, but I was like, my suitcase was almost over as it was. So that's my twice. I got this postcard. I also have the Jonghyun one, but where has Jonghyun gone? I think I might put her on the shelf already. So this is the 5-year anniversary, Japanese anniversary. My Jonghyun postcards. Little icon. World in a Day, and then an almost complete set of ready to be photo cards of Jonghyun. So there's 2 cards that went in the store, and I already have one of them, so I just need one more to complete it. And then I got 2 summers. A few more summers. Another one that I got second hand is from Book Off in Akihabara. I got CIX Pinky Swear. Doesn't have a photo card. And I picked up a copy of Kep1er's most recent Japanese. You can see the camera being moved. And I got a Johnny photo card. Next I have my Kep albums. I was into Crown at the release of Giddy, so I picked up like the digipack version because I wasn't going to buy any bulky albums in order this one. So I think this is just random members. Photo cards. Yeah. Cover. Baya. And there should be a Honey Baya poster. And then a poster as well. I thought this filter was doing with the eyes, but... And next I have my stuff from the StayC pop-up store that was in Amobi in Shibuya. And I happened to go like the last day before it moved to Osaka. So I got the Shion Standee. And I got 2 packs of these blind cards, and each of them had 2 in, but I put more in the same packet to save space. So, 1, 2, duplicate, 4. And then this is the sticker I got, because with every purchase you got, like, depending on how much you bought, you got to do like the tombola lucky dip. And I did win. So yeah, just a little sticker. That should be it. I also got a lot of stuff like decorating photo cards. That will be in its own separate haul if you want to see all the stuff I got for decorating photo cards and like sleeves and top loaders and stuff. Let me know and I will upload that as well.